Hey everyone, James and Mark here. It's been an eventful weekend. I'm exhausted.
Yeah, you sound exhausted too.
Excuse me? I did just wake up from how many hours was that? 3-hour nap.
Oh my god.
We did one of those Sunday like brunch things, and I don't know about you, but whenever I drink champagne, if I don't go hard, I fall down really quickly. So we are just gonna go out and grab dinners, and we're actually going to a spot that my mom recommended. They're known for their dry noodle soup dish, which is perfect because after a heavy weekend of drinking, there's nothing better than like hot Vietnamese soup. So we're gonna take you along.
Let's go.
You thought the same thing too?
It's like a car turned around.
All right, so here's the menu. I think number 14 is what they're known for. Also number 1. You can get it dry or wet. What are you thinking of getting?
What they're known for, number 1, probably.
Yeah. I have this condiment tray here. This has the satay, which is like a hot chili oil almost.
Oh.
So this is really good with the soup. And then usually with these dishes, there's always pickled, are these serranos?
Probably.
Yeah, they're definitely not jalapenos. Sometimes it's jalapenos, but this is really good. It's very tart.
Okay.
So we decided to get these fried fish balls, which I can't remember if I've had fried fish balls. Usually I have it in like hot pot and stuff, but not fried. So it came out in this nice and golden, and then there's this dipping sauce here. So we're gonna dip.
I was looking forward to the egg rolls.
I know, it had the special, lasting Vietnamese ballads up in here. Anju. I'm gonna put a pepper here for you to just try it. Sometimes they're mild and sometimes they're effing hot, so. That's okay. Oh. Right at the end. I can't eat that many. I think I turned instantly red. Oh, here it comes. So our noodle dish just came out, and look at the plethora of meats. I believe the noodles are all underneath, but we have some, kind of looks like char siu. There's liver, there's seafood, quail egg, shrimp, little ground pork. Look at this really cute shrimp cracker. I've never seen a shrimp embedded in a shrimp cracker before. And then here's the soup on the side. So you have 2 options. You could pour the soup in, or you could just dip it. But let's take a peek at the noodles real quick. Are there noodles? Ta-da, right here. These are the egg noodles. Alright, so there's a lime. You can squeeze the lime on here.
On here?
That's where I would do it, but don't trust me. I've squeezed lime and lemon on crab shells, and people got mad at me, so. Smart. You know what, that reminds me, we can add a little pepper to this. You want just a little bit?
Yeah.
My spoon's hot.
No. Self-service.
If I had to guess, it's probably like a chicken meat. Oh, right? I feel like I can drink this and start singing like her.
What's this sauce?
It looks like it's a soy sauce and something oily, maybe shallots?
Kind of tastes like the Maggi sauce.
Oh yeah. They have these little, almost like little bits of pork fat fried. For a little crunch. Ooh, it's good. Just try it. Whoa.
Oh, I thought these were peanuts.
Try it. Oh, like pop. I'm gonna scoop some here, and you can take whatever you want.
Do we just add bean sprouts on this dish?
Yeah, you can eat it crunchy, or if you put the noodle, the soup on it, then it'll kind of get softer.
It's kind of like you're building your own like portion, bite.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah. That was a big boy bite.
Alright, I've decided I'm just gonna pour the soup in. I'm a little tired today, so. Oh, don't forget, do you want some of this?
Oh yeah.
Do you want it in your soup or here? Mix it in, mix it in.
This song is a long song. Is it still the same song?
I think so.
It's good. I've never had this before.
Oh, I'm glad you're enjoying it.
Yeah, so it does remind me of the dipping ramen,
Mm-hmm. This kind of looks like a shrimp fossil. There's so many textures in here. That's what I love.
This was only $11. That's not bad at all.
Don't forget about the chili. Just remind me to call my mom after and tell her. Well, at first I'll send her a picture of this because she'll be ecstatic that we ate here. And then second, so I can thank her. Last time my mom recommended a food spot, we ended up going there. She was there at the table. What's your favorite part so far?
I don't know. There's so many items in here.
Yeah. I want to make another dipping sauce. It's going to be with the satay and a little bit of... Oh gosh, the pepper's making me sweat, or the heat? I don't know.
I swear, the song is on repeat. It has to be on repeat.
It's like, it's no different than you hearing me listen to the same song over and over at home. Doesn't this make you feel like you're at home?
How's the shrimp cracker?
There's a nice crunch. I think it's smart when you build a dish that there's something visually wow about it, and I think that's this for this dish. I feel like I'm making a dim sum sauce over here. Let's try a little bit of this with the meat. I might have done a little heavy-handed on the... Well, I'll let you decide what I... Yeah? A little heavy-handed on the vinegar.
You know what? The liver is not bad at all. Oh, no,
I was wondering if it was liver. It is, right? Oh, it is, yeah.
Yeah, I guess some.
What were you saying?
Eating more nuggets.
It's easier to... So it's one of those napkin dispensers where if I sat over here and had to grab napkins, but Mark has nice dainty hands.
It's okay. You're releasing all your toxins from the drinking that we did over the weekend.
Oh, I hope so. I don't need none of that carrying through the week. Oh, that looks so good. Bathe in that. Okay, we definitely heard this bridge already. What if this was the music video? It's just you eating the noodles and this... I wonder what the storyline is.
This is gonna be stuck in my head all day now.
My mom's 2 for 2 with her recommendation.
Yeah.
Maybe our series should just be where should we go eat next, Mom? And just tell us where to go. I just love that markets to eat foods, Vietnamese foods that probably are not as mainstream or as available as other places that you've tried, right? They still have there's a version of this, but instead of all the components, there's like a steamed duck leg. Maybe next time we can try that.
It's dry noodle.
Mm-hmm. Or you can get it either one. I was eating fast, but I looked over and Mark was caught up. Now I know you're not a huge fan of like lettuce and soups. How was it this time?
I can't really tell because I've been dipping.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
So this actually works.
Yeah, I noticed a lot of Vietnamese soup, hot soup dish, they love to top it with lettuce.
Not your favorite thing. Why is that again?
I don't know. I feel like lettuce is always should be like crisp and cold, you know, not molted in a soup.
Boxing match is over. All right, so we just wrapped up dinner. What's the final verdict?
I liked it.
It's so
liked
good.
it. Yeah.
It hit a spot that I didn't know it needed to get hit.
Like right here?
Ow, no! Totally would come back. Recommend it. We're going to leave the link down below if you guys want to check it out. We're off to Trader Joe's now.
How do I get there from here?
22 to the 55 and exit Catella.
Okay, thank you, MapQuest.
All right, we'll see you guys later. Anh hỏi em, tôi không biết nói gì. Noodle soup.